Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So we have created a custom gem in Gemini, maybe for your business or a specific project, but now it's not showing up in your sidebar, or you can access it via a direct link, but it's a hassle every time. This is a known issue for workspace accounts. As one user reported, we pay for this service until we had to find help from forums and other pages to fix it. Anyway, the frustrating part is that there is no setting to juggle gems on and off in the sidebar. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to fix a gem not working in Gemini, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, go and check your Gemini app's activity settings. Some gems are not available if your Gemini app's activity is turned off. Go into your Gemini settings and ensure that Gemini app's activity is enabled. This option unlocks features that were previously hidden. Check if your workspace account has access. The problem may be related to the availability of Gemini or gems for specific workspace accounts. Your admin might have configuration issues or may not have assigned you the correct gems license. Speak to your workspace administrators to ensure you have the correct permissions. Then you can use the direct link as a workaround if you want to. While it's a pain, you can still access your gems via the direct link from Google, like gemini.google.com/gems/view. You can also go and report the bug to Google. Many users have expressed frustration that this isn't addressed in the FAQ. Send feedback directly through the Gemini app or website. The more users report this, the higher the priority for the dev team. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.